It's creative. It's innovative.
You can have a tremendous impact on people's lives.
I love the challenge and the problem solving.
The field needs people with all different backgrounds, skills, and abilities.
I like knowing that my work is going to make a difference.
All these people are talking about nuclear engineering, science, and technology, and they all love the challenge and the unique opportunities this growing field brings.
Students should consider careers in nuclear energy, in particular perhaps nuclear power, medical physics, or health physics, because many of these fields are really growing in the U.S. and they're growing around the world, in Europe, in Asia.
These are all very exciting areas and they're all growing, and there need to be a lot of research to be done in these areas.
This field is so rewarding. There's so many places that you can go with it. There's so many incredible people in the field.
I like that when I come in every day, there's something new to be found. I like that not everything there is to know about the field is known.
There's tons of different challenges and lots of different areas. The material is always changing. There's always expanding sorts of technologies.
There's huge amounts of opportunities to learn about technologies on a very, very small scale or a very, very large scale, depending on where your interests lie.
There are so many different paths you can go down. And even if you don't go down that path in your schoolwork, you can still go down that path in your career because they really want to teach you.
Today, there are many career options for nuclear engineers, scientists, and technicians. Electricity production, nuclear fuel design, medical research, environmental protection, even archaeology. And with the shortage of qualified professionals, nuclear graduates are in high demand and at a pay scale that is much higher than other graduates will ever see.
The placement rates for graduates are 2 to 3 job offers per graduate.
We're trying to hire 300 nuclear engineers in 1 year. All the universities in the United States, about 200 nuclear engineers. So there's a huge demand for nuclear engineers in the job market.
The job opportunities in this field are limitless. The good thing about our program is that we actually have the industry coming to us saying, we need your graduates immediately.
Historically, nuclear engineers, scientists, and technicians have gravitated toward nuclear power as a career choice. Those jobs are still in tremendous demand today. The next generation of nuclear reactors is being developed, and with their evolution come significant career opportunities and scientific challenges. Power consumption throughout the world is growing at a tremendous rate, and nations are turning to nuclear energy as a safer and cleaner option over fossil-fueled electrical plants.
We really have an ethical and moral responsibility to the growing population of the world, not just the United States, to deliver cheap, efficient, and clean electricity to as many people as we possibly can. This is a huge challenge, a big problem that needs to be fixed, but it's something that I think young people can take pride in being a part of.
Nuclear uses in the medical field have soared in recent years. Physicians rely on X-rays to diagnose tumors. Radiation is a common treatment for cancers, and radioisotopes are crucial in the development of new drugs.
Nuclear technology is so widely used in hospitals now for imaging, for cancer treatment, for MRIs, CTs. We've had a number of students in our department who they are going to graduate with a nuclear engineering degree and go right to med school.
Nuclear engineering, science, and technology are increasingly important to solving one of the planet's most critical problems, hunger. Nuclear scientists use radiation techniques to produce higher yield crops and protect livestock from disease. These same scientists are also finding innovative ways to eliminate pests without the use of traditional chemicals. These are all ways in which nuclear science can improve our lives.
The work I do often involves taking textiles like a t-shirt or like mosquito netting and taking a chemical like a mosquito repellent and making a permanent bond between the two. And this has a major impact in the world. In Africa, a lot of children die every year from malaria. And if we can make this chemical graft, if we can make this permanent where you can wash and it doesn't go away, it'll save the lives of hundreds and hundreds of children.
Nuclear energy is propelling us into the future. The miracle of space travel would be grounded without the fundamental work of nuclear scientists and engineers.
We're looking at the foam on the external tank of the space shuttle, and that's the pieces that fell off and caused damage to the Columbia. We shoot radiation particles in and we look at the radiation particles that are bouncing back, and we can tell if there are any defects that would cause it to come off and possibly hit the orbiter.
If you're someone who's looking for a real challenge and you want to make a difference, you should explore a career in the nuclear sciences. There's never been a better time to get involved with these fields, and it's a great opportunity for you to make a positive impact on the world.
The future of nuclear power, nuclear energy, the nuclear engineering sciences, and the health physics field has never been brighter in this country.
The field is wide open. There seems to be unlimited horizons and prospects to do really great things in the field for humanity.
I will be making a difference every day.
This is the place to be. If you look for something that's new and exciting, and there's plenty of opportunity for you to explore pretty much wherever you want to go.
To learn more about educational and career opportunities in nuclear engineering and science, visit us at aboutnuclear.org and nuclear.gov.